Okay, so you know you need to do marketing, right? But you may not be sure what's best for your business or your budget. It's okay, don't be scared. It's just marketing, super easy. You have options: training current employees, working with freelancers, hiring a marketer, or hiring an agency. However, since we all know I have less than 2 minutes to hold your attention in this video, I'm going to direct you to the description box below for more in-depth analysis. But let's talk through 3 reasons why you should hire a marketing agency. Number 1, for the fixed cost of hiring one marketer with a specific skill set, you can get a team of people at an agency who are experts in strategy, content, website design, development, SEO, PPC, social media, and more. As you continue the digital transformation of your sales and marketing, why not learn from the experts as you grow? Then decide what to bring in-house. Number 2, when you work with an agency, you get the benefit of all the work they've done previously. This is a positive because they have tried and tested everything and put processes in place that benefit your business. Perhaps you'd like to work with a company that has 120 years of experience in helping manufacturers and businesses in industry grow. And finally, number 3, agencies are truly a one-stop shop for all of your business needs. Everything from a website redesign to creating a long-term lead generation plan to help you diversify, fill capacity, or reach your sales goals. Sound good to you? Let's talk more. Feel free to reach out to me directly on LinkedIn with questions, or contact Team Thomas through the link in the description.